Hi traders, welcome to our channel. It's Roland's Duki here. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. We're looking at Sunday technicals, the NAS 100 update. We're looking at a 4-hour time frame. The date is the 20th of September 2020. The time is just about 2200 hours in South Africa. All right, looking at our chart, what we can see is that what NAS has been doing for the last few days since around the 2nd September, or let's just say around 1100 hours or so South African time, NAS has been in a downtrend and dropping like fast, you know, crazy. But anyway, this is what we're expecting that NAS to do. Last Wednesday, we had the Feds at 8 p.m. South African time release the stats about the interest rate, and then that caused NAS to drop further than expected. And we are saying if it continues that bearish trend, and then maybe breaks off a trend line, which we have drawn here, okay, the one that's in blue-green color. If it breaks this trend line and we look at how price action goes up and we just monitor it until it reaches at least 11,255, then we're going to take our buy entry for sure, 100%. We're going to go that way. And then further on into 11,372, we'll take a buy entry too. And we'll close our TPs at 11,539, 11,751, even TP3, if we're fortunate enough for NAS to be so bullish to get to the 12,000 mark at TP3, TP4, which is our champions, at 12,161. That's our scenario if NAS breaks up into a bullish trend. However, if NAS does not do that, what do we do? Okay, there we go. I'm not a fan of sell entries, but sometimes we have to make money and have to trade this trade. So if NAS breaks this trend line that we have set here, the orange one that you are seeing, then we would go into our sell entry of 11,682, and we'll do another sell entry at 10,566. That's if it goes further down. And then we confidently will put our TP1, TP2 and TP3, if we're lucky enough to get that far, at 10,322, 10,155 and 10,068. So guys, simple enough, two scenarios. If NAS breaks our resistance, our trend line that we have here, the blue-green color, we would do our buy entries at 11,255. It's a bit further away from where the trend line is, but we would expect it to have a false breakout and maybe a pullback. And if it uses that trend line as resistance, then it's going to go up into our buy entries. So we have our buy entries 1 and 2. We have TPs 1 and 2, which I'm sure we will accomplish by end of the week. Fortunately enough, we may even get TP3 and our champions TP at TP4. And our sell entries, if NAS does not do that, we will just go further down into sell 1, 2 and TP 1, 2 and 3. So guys, just to give you the update, I hope you guys manage your trades well. I hope you guys keep your eyes and your ears open in terms of the fundamentals. So guys, just pay attention to what's happening right now, especially in the US with the banning of WeChat, the banning of TikTok, etc. And guys, you know, while we're discussing the aspect of Nasdaq, whether a bullish trend or bearish trend, we need to pay attention to a major fundamental that's scheduled for Monday, which is tomorrow, 1600 hours South African time. We have the head of the Federal Reserve that will be speaking, and you know the Federal Reserve controls the short-term interest rates, and the person that will be speaking is a chairperson who is Jerome Powell, and he has more influence over the US dollar's value than any other person. So please pay close attention to his speeches, as they are often used to drop hints regarding the future monetary policy. So guys, just be aware of those fundamentals happening as well. I just hope you have a profitable week. I know for sure the rate on our pairs and our assets that we are working on. And by midweek or so, we should give you an update. And we'll probably just tie up or give you a final on Friday night or so into the weekend. So that's it for the Sunday technicals for the NAS 100 on the 4-hour chart. Anyway, guys, take care and have a blessed week this week in terms of trading. Thank you, guys.